Dear all, our suppliers received a threat recently from a competitor stating they must terminate cooperation with the MTA. In the face of threats, we uphold our commitment to combating unethical conduct while promoting openness and decentralization. We therefore plan to take the following measures. 1. Suppliers' decisions will be respected, and their products and logos will be removed from our platform if they choose to terminate our partnership due to threats. 2. Formerly removed suppliers can fast-track the process of resuming collaboration with us if they wish to do so. 3. A data request API will be launched soon, enabling access to minor parameters and profitability information. We condemn monopolistic practices and embrace collaboration with other organizations and individuals in the crypto industry to foster positive change.